Yes. This here is about the best strip I've been. And down there wouldn't be good.
I'll have to show this to my father-in-law. He won't believe me.
But see, it's sort of running 150 to 60.
Yeah. You could raise 150 bushel corn year in and year out, and you'd be tickled to death, wouldn't you? This country?
Yeah.
Used to be you thought if you raised 100 bushel corn, you were just really doing something. Seen any deer?
I only seen, I had it last Saturday, I had Saturday morning. That's the only time I hunted the whole year. But they're around.
Deer staying on the stalk good, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, if as dry as it is, that goddamn corn is hanging on.
Is this all you got left up here?
Yep, this deer does it. Only thing we got left is, we got some good milo on that, some of that, where we planted on wheat, or we got wheat on. Scott, he's been something combine, we rented a combine, he's been combining me that we planted on there.
How's he